Cohoes Falls today, Monday, September 2012, 2 o'clock. It's upstate New York, almost 200 miles far from where you live. And this is amazing falls. It keeps falling 24/7. We heard it from our friends and we decided to visit. And I'm recording to have all of my friends and family abroad and abroad, so they can enjoy it. I'm trying to have a closer look so that they can have a good looking at the site. I'm zooming it for you people. Yes, yes, yes. What a fantastic water. Woo, that's beautiful. All right, now I'm going to take a look on the side of it. It's a huge mountain on the side. It's trees on the top, and if it goes up, you cannot see much. If you go on the left, there is mountain again, and the rocks. It's a solid rock. There is no soil. It's a solid rock. If you go down, it's a very nice, clean, crystal clear water. Just take a look. What a clear water it could be. And there, you guys could see the stone right here. It's a very old, and it's kind of hard to believe, but sometimes you could break it with your bare hand. It's so easy. It's very tangible and it's very breakable. I'm taking you guys back to the water. It's very clear, and get back to the main falls. All right, that's for all of you people. Hope you like it, and any of you do, that's my pleasure. I'm Khandokar Robi. Thank you. This is so nice. This is very serpentine. We're going down the hill. Oh, we're going down the hill 60 miles an hour. It's very nice. Just stay with me. It's very nice. It's like an arrow. We're driving like a snake.